Hello guys, today I am making a beautiful snow painting of winter. If you guys like my video, then please subscribe my channel, comment your opinion and don't forget to like and share. It will be taken out in the palette. We need these 3 or 4 shades of medium yellow, leaf green, titanium white, ultramarine blue, cobalt blue and black. I have already made a sketch on it with a pencil, so let's start. In this way, we will mix and put a light colored sky on the one side and a little dark on one side. Blend the color well. Now the same color that we have used in the sky by mixing blue color and white color, we will use the same color on the earth blue. By mixing blue color with white, we will use the same color on the earth below. Now shade the ground with a little blue color like this. Dark blue color will be done a little on this side. Now we will paint white on the roof of the hut. Mix a little light blue color in the white color and put it again on top of it, which will make it look like snow here. Now white clouds will form on the side of the sky. We will paint a little more blue on the roof and we will paint the wall brown. we will give it a little light brown shade and will also use brown color to make the boundaries. And we will use orange color and yellow color on the windows. Now we will paint white on boundary which will make it snow. To make the trees, we will use black color. And add a little green color on top of it, and also add a light little white color on it to make it look like snow. Now make a moon pink with pink color. So this painting is ready. If you like my video, my painting, please like and subscribe to my channel.